Do you know the warning signs of high blood sugar? It's essential to be aware, as high blood sugar could be an early indication of diabetes, a serious health condition that shouldn't be ignored. Recognizing these signs can be a lifesaver, leading to early diagnosis and effective management. Today we're going to delve into this crucial topic, shedding light on the 10 warning signs of high blood sugar that everyone should be aware of. Stay tuned as we dive into the 10 warning signs of high blood sugar. Our bodies are smart, and the first warning sign is frequent urination. You see, when our blood sugar levels are too high, our bodies try to respond in a very practical way, by flushing out the excess glucose through urination. It's like your body's natural way of trying to balance things out. Here's what happens. The kidneys, which are responsible for filtering our blood, start to work overtime when there's too much sugar floating around. They pull out the extra sugar and combine it with water from our cells to create urine. This process can lead to a cycle of frequent urination. But it's not just about the number of trips to the bathroom, it's also about the volume. People with high blood sugar often notice that they're passing a lot more urine than usual. And this isn't just inconvenient, it can also lead to dehydration. So, if you find yourself visiting the bathroom more often, it might be high time to check your blood sugar levels. Constant thirst is another warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Now, you might be wondering, how does this tie in with high blood sugar? Well, when your body starts to detect elevated sugar levels, it triggers frequent urination in an attempt to flush out the excess glucose. This constant cycle of urination can lead to dehydration, which in turn leaves you feeling parched more often than not. If you're finding that you just can't seem to quench your thirst, no matter how much water you're gulping down, it could be your body's way of signaling that your blood sugar levels are on the rise. This is especially true if your unquenchable thirst is coupled with other symptoms like frequent urination or unexplained fatigue. Don't brush off that dry mouth and constant need for a drink as simply the result of a hot day or intense workout. Remember, persistent thirst isn't normal and could be your body signaling high blood sugar. Unusual hunger pangs and unexplained weight loss can also be alarming signs. Imagine your body as an engine and glucose, the sugar in your blood, as the fuel. When your blood sugar levels are high, it's like having a tank full of fuel but no way to get it to the engine. Your body can't use the glucose efficiently for energy. So what does it do? It cries out for more fuel, hence the increased hunger. But here's the twist, while you're eating more, you might actually be losing weight. Strange, isn't it? Well, because your body isn't efficiently using the glucose from your food, it starts burning fat and muscle for energy instead. This can lead to unexplained weight loss. So if you find yourself constantly raiding the fridge or losing weight without even trying, it's time to take note. These could be signs of high blood sugar. If you're losing weight without trying and always hungry, it's worth checking your blood sugar. Fatigue, blurred vision, and slow wound healing are other signs to watch out for. Let's break these down. First, fatigue. With high blood sugar, your body is unable to effectively use glucose for energy, leading to a constant state of tiredness. It's not just about feeling sleepy, it's a deep exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. Next, blurred vision. High blood sugar can cause the lens in your eyes to swell, affecting your ability to see. This isn't a gradual change like needing glasses as you age, but a sudden shift in your vision. Lastly, slow wound healing. Excess sugar in your bloodstream can impair your body's natural healing process and even affect your immune system, making it harder for your body to repair itself. These symptoms can be easy to brush off as just part of getting older or dealing with stress, but they can indicate a serious issue. Don't ignore these signs. They're not just signs of aging or stress. Tingling in hands or feet, skin problems, and mood changes are other signals. It might seem like these signs are just part of a stressful day or a result of poor sleep, but they can be much more than that. Tingling sensations in your hands or feet, known as neuropathy, can be a sign of high blood sugar. It's a result of nerve damage caused by elevated sugar levels in your bloodstream. Now, let's talk about skin problems. Unexplained dry or itchy skin, darkening of skin around the neck or armpits, or frequent infections can also point towards high blood sugar. These changes occur due to the impact of high glucose levels on your skin cells. Lastly, mood changes. If you're feeling more irritable or having difficulty concentrating, it might not be just due to a bad day. These could be your body's way of telling you that your blood sugar level is high. Don't brush off these symptoms. They could be warning signs of high blood sugar. Now that you know the warning signs, let's talk about the symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes, a chronic medical condition, manifests itself through a myriad of symptoms. And while these symptoms can vary from person to person, there are 8 common ones we should all be aware of. The first symptom is increased thirst. Often those with diabetes find themselves feeling thirsty more often than usual. This is because excess sugar in your blood can pull fluid from your tissues, making you feel dehydrated. Next, frequent urination is another common symptom. When you have diabetes, your kidneys work overtime to get rid of all that extra sugar in your blood, and this can result in needing to use the bathroom more often. The third symptom is increased hunger. Despite eating regular meals, you may still feel hungry. This happens because diabetes prevents your body from effectively using the energy from the food you eat. Unexplained weight loss, even when you're eating more than usual, is another symptom. This is because without enough insulin to help your body use sugar for energy, your body starts burning fat and muscle for fuel instead. Feeling fatigued is another symptom of diabetes. High blood sugar levels can make you feel tired and worn out. This is because your body isn't effectively converting the food you eat into energy. Blurred vision is also a common symptom. High blood sugar levels can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, changing their shape and causing your vision to blur. Slow healing of wounds and sores is another symptom. When you have diabetes, your body doesn't heal as quickly as it should, and this is due to high blood sugar levels slowing down your body's healing process. Finally, tingling or numbness in your hands or feet is a symptom of diabetes. This is due to high blood sugar levels causing nerve damage over time. And there you have it, the 8 common symptoms of diabetes. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. So there you have it, the warning signs of high blood sugar and symptoms of diabetes. We've taken a journey together, unraveling the warning signs of high blood sugar and the symptoms of diabetes. It's been an enlightening exploration into a topic that deeply impacts millions of people worldwide. Let's jog our memories a bit. We talked about the frequent urge to urinate, the constant thirst that seems impossible to quench. We also discussed increased hunger, even when you're eating regularly, and unexplained weight loss that can be quite alarming. These are the early warning signs that your body may be struggling with high blood sugar. We delved into the world of fatigue, blurred vision, and slow healing. Do you remember how we emphasized the importance of not brushing these symptoms off as mere tiredness or aging? That's because these could potentially be your body's urgent plea for help. Then we moved on to the tingling sensations, skin problems, and mood changes. We learned that these symptoms are often overlooked, even though they could be signaling high blood sugar. In the final part of our journey, we focused on the symptoms of diabetes. We learned that diabetes doesn't just appear overnight. It sends signals, subtle and not so subtle, that we need to be aware of. From frequent infections to patches of darkened skin, from irritability to frequent bouts of hunger and thirst, these signs shouldn't be ignored. Our journey today has been about empowerment through knowledge. It's about understanding our bodies and recognizing when something might be amiss. It's about not taking our health for granted and seeking medical attention when something feels off. We've equipped ourselves with vital information that can potentially save lives. If you or anyone you know experiences any of these signs or symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Remember, the earlier the detection, the better the chances of managing and controlling the situation. Stay healthy and remember, early detection is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.